Hello everybody, I'm here again with another pattern. For the pattern we need to have 5 stitches, but for separation again is up to you. If you want more than 2 you can consider more stitches, but in this case just I use only 2 stitches for separation, and then the pattern 5 stitches of each. What we have to do, if you start your job with ribs or any kind of other edge, you have to start by, I'm going to just make a setup row by knit 2, pull 5, but as I told you, if you start directly your pattern after edge or ribs, you don't need to do this row, but the first row I'm going to pull 2 as an edge. When it comes to these 5 stitches of knitted, we are going to first yarn over, then pull the first stitch, then I'm going to take these 3 and pull these 3 together. The next stitch I'm going to pull, then yarn over, and to pull for as a separation. As you can see here, I have again another 5 stitch. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's do it again. I have 5 stitches. I'm going to yarn over, pull the first one, then pull these 3 together, pull the first one. Now I have 4. I'm going to yarn over to make it 5, and then the edge and the separation like that. Row 2, we are going to just knit these 2 as a separation. Then we are going to pull again all these 5 stitches, knit 2 for separation, and pull the 5 stitches. For row 3, what we have to do, we are going to knit these 5 stitches, then 2 as a separation, and knit 5 stitches. Row 4, again pull all stitches, and the one for separation, knit. As you can see here, I already had the pattern like this. This is the time to repeat the pattern by yarn over, pull the first one, then pull these 3 together, pull the last one, yarn over, and pull 2 like that. Let's do it again one more time. Yarn over, pull the first one, pull these three together, pull, yarn over, and like this. If you repeat row 1 to row 4, after a few rows the pattern should look like that. This is the back side of the work and this is the front side. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.